Discover the fascinating journey of whey protein production, where science and precision create a staple in health and fitness. From farm-fresh milk to the protein powder in your pantry, this process is a blend of tradition and technology. So, how do they do it? The journey of making whey protein begins with selecting the highest quality milk. Dairy farms provide fresh milk, primarily sourced from cows known for their rich, nutritious milk. Farmers ensure the cows are healthy and well-fed, resulting in milk that meets strict standards for purity and nutritional content. The milk is regularly tested for quality, checking for factors like fat and protein content, as well as the absence of antibiotics and contaminants. This careful selection lays the foundation for producing premium whey protein, ensuring the final product is both nutritious and safe for consumers. Once the perfect milk is selected, it undergoes a process called pasteurization, where it is heated to eliminate harmful bacteria. The milk is then separated into curds and whey using enzymes or acids. This separation process is a key step in making both cheese and whey protein. The curds are used for cheese, while the liquid whey is collected for further processing. This liquid whey is rich in proteins, lactose, vitamins, and minerals, making it a valuable byproduct. The extracted whey is then filtered to remove impurities, ensuring that only the best quality whey moves on to the next stage. The next step involves concentrating the whey. The liquid whey is passed through a series of filtration processes, such as ultrafiltration and microfiltration, which help to increase the protein content while removing fats and lactose. This results in whey protein concentrate, which contains around 70–80% protein. The filtration process is carefully controlled to retain the maximum amount of beneficial nutrients while eliminating unwanted components. This concentrated whey is now rich in protein and ready for further refinement, depending on the type of whey protein being produced. For a higher protein content, the whey undergoes additional processing to produce whey protein isolate. This involves further filtration and purification steps, removing almost all the fat and lactose. The result is a product that contains about 90% or more protein. This high level of purity makes whey protein isolate an excellent choice for those looking for maximum protein intake with minimal fats and carbohydrates. The isolation process ensures that the final product is highly concentrated and easily digestible, providing a superior protein source for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. After the whey protein is isolated, it needs to be converted into a powder form for easy consumption and storage. This is done through a process called spray drying. The liquid whey protein is sprayed into a chamber with hot air, which quickly evaporates the moisture, leaving behind fine protein powder. This powder retains the nutritional benefits of the liquid whey, but in a more convenient and stable form. The drying process is carefully monitored to prevent any degradation of the protein, ensuring the final product is of the highest quality. To make whey protein more palatable, various flavors and additives are blended into the protein powder. Popular flavors include chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, but the possibilities are endless. This step also includes the addition of sweeteners, whether natural or artificial, to enhance the taste. Some formulations may include added vitamins, minerals, or other supplements to boost the nutritional profile. The blending process ensures that these ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the protein powder, providing a consistent taste and nutritional benefit in every serving. Quality control is an integral part of whey protein production, ensuring the final product meets the highest standards. Throughout the process, from milk selection to packaging, strict quality checks are in place. Each batch of whey protein undergoes visual inspections for consistency in texture and color. Experienced tasters assess the flavor to ensure it meets consumer expectations. Advanced laboratory tests check for pathogens, contaminants, and proper protein content. Continuous checks at every stage ensure only the finest whey protein reaches the market, providing consumers with a safe and effective product. Packaging is the final step, where the finished product is prepared for distribution and sale. Proper packaging maintains the whey protein's freshness, flavor, and quality. The protein powder is measured and placed into containers, which are then sealed to prevent air and contaminants from affecting the product. This process is carried out in a controlled environment to ensure hygiene and safety. Each package is labeled with important information, including type, production date, and storage instructions, ensuring transparency and building consumer trust. Some producers offer eco-friendly options using recyclable or biodegradable materials, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. The packaged whey protein is stored in temperature-controlled facilities until it is ready for distribution. This careful handling ensures that the whey protein retains its quality from the moment it's packaged until it reaches the consumer's table, providing a reliable and high-quality product for health and fitness enthusiasts. Once packaged, the whey protein is ready for the crucial stages of shipping and distribution. The containers are first transported to large warehouses and distribution centers. Here, they are carefully stored until they are ready to be shipped to retailers and customers. Efficient logistics are key to ensuring the whey protein reaches its destination quickly and in optimal condition. To maintain the quality of the whey protein during transit, temperature-controlled transportation is often used. This prevents any degradation of the product, ensuring that the whey protein retains its freshness and effectiveness. Once at the retail locations, the whey protein is stocked on shelves in grocery stores, health food shops, and other retail outlets, making it readily available to consumers. For online customers, the whey protein is shipped directly to their homes, ensuring convenience and accessibility. The entire shipping and distribution process is meticulously planned and executed to maintain the high standards of the product. This includes tracking shipments and managing inventory to avoid any delays or issues. By the time the whey protein reaches the consumer, it has been through a comprehensive process designed to ensure that it meets all expectations for quality and freshness. Whether used for muscle building, weight management, or overall health, the whey protein remains in perfect condition, ready to deliver its benefits. Finally, the whey protein reaches consumers through various retail channels, including grocery stores, health food shops, and online platforms. Customers can choose from a variety of flavors and formulations to suit their dietary needs and preferences. The packaging provides clear instructions on how to use the product, making it easy for consumers to incorporate whey protein into their daily routines. Whether it's for muscle building, weight loss, or general health, whey protein offers a convenient and effective way to boost protein intake. The entire production process, from milk selection to reaching the consumer, ensures that the final product is safe, nutritious, and enjoyable. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from fresh milk to the whey protein powder that fuels your workouts. This process combines traditional dairy farming with modern technology to deliver a product that supports health and fitness goals worldwide. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.